Hey guys, and welcome back to another Queen Form video. In today's video, we're talking about a new phone that is now available on Boost Mobile, guys. As you guys can see it, we're going to be talking about it and seeing what it's worth and the price, and that is finally on Boost Mobile. So you guys know I made a video about the Samsung Flip 3. So let's go ahead and see the other phone, of course, that came out around the same time that nobody really talked about. But if you scroll down here, once you go to Boost Mobile's website, it is, of course, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G, guys. Of course, this is on Boost Mobile, and it is currently sold out, guys, but it is at a deep discount of $400. Same thing with the Flip 3. So with this phone costing $1,800, you can get it for $1,400 or $1,399, which is a deep discount of $400 without you even having to do anything. There's no port-in deals. This is what I like a lot about Boost Mobile. They're upfront. There's no port-in deals. There's no, switch carriers. This is good for both customers, new and existing customers. So, like I said, currently it's sold out, especially, at $400 discount. So this Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G, like I said, it's $1,800 retail price. You can get it at $1,400. So, remember, this does use the expanded network, which is under T-Mobile. It will not use Sprint's network anymore. It will use T-Mobile and 5G if you get it in your area. So it says, unfold a world of possibilities with Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. You can do it all on this incredible device. That's so much more than a phone. It's a compact yet powerful tablet that helps you master your busy life. So remember, it's like a phablet, phone tablet, because it's a phone when it's closed up, but once you open it up, it does turn into a tablet, and we'll talk about that. It says, bring your workspace anywhere with a foldable expansive screen that gives you multiple windows, guys. You can have multiple windows on this, which is good. You can have two windows, I believe, or more. That makes multitasking a breeze. I don't like, someone needs to proofread this. You cannot start a sentence with or. Should be comma or something, or just says fine, but whatever. It says, or find your escape with multimedia magic on a mesmerizing display that's silky smooth. Now, I've seen both of these phones in person, guys. I've played with them. I must say the screens are phenomenal. Best in class. I mean, really good. It definitely blows iPhone out of the water when it comes to their screen resolution and 120 hertz display, but we'll get more into that. It says, from the gym to the office to your childhood soccer game, get more out of your phone and your everyday. So like I said, this is compatible with the expanded network. Like I said, it does use T-Mobile. Currently, this phone's a 6.7-inch display, fully opened. This is a 12 megapixel camera, 35 hours of talk time, 256 gigs of storage, guys. Wow. And Android 11. So let's look at it. Pretty cool. This is a closed up position of it. Here's the back of it, 3 big cameras, and then you can see there's a hinge right there, and there it is. I believe the volume up button. So here's the hinge. Does a Samsung, very good phone. Here it is, kind of like butterfly design when it's opened, and then here it is on the other side as well. So pretty cool. I believe the pen does not come with it, and yep, it says one main display. Only main display has S Pen compatibility. S Pen Fold Edition or S Pen Pro sold separately. So I believe the pen's another $100 or so. It says Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. Like I said, this phone is pretty expensive. It's not going to be for the average Joe, guys. It's going to be more for business oriented people, or just multitasking, or just someone that wants an awesome phone, honestly. It says a theater, a workspace, and a game room folded into your pocket. So that's what we basically read. It does come in 3 colors: Phantom Black, Phantom Silver, and Phantom Green. Unfold your world. So pretty cool. Put up multi and multitasking. Like I said, so you can have 3 windows. That says 3 multi windows that allow you schedule, edit, and build presentations in a snap. So like I said, really good for schooling or business. This phone is water resistant. Built life, because life happens. The Z Fold is water resistant. Like I said, I would be very hesitant to put it near water, but that's just me. So like I said, really nice for watching videos because it does fold open to a 6.7 inch. So it says everything looks brilliant on this big beautiful display, guys. It says see more and do more with a ultimate foldable screen that puts a super slim tablet right in your pocket. So pretty cool. Now I must say, guys, with holding the fold and the flip, the fold is definitely heavier. You can definitely feel the thickness of it, especially once you have it in your pocket or in your hand. You can definitely feel how heavier it is. So just be warned about that. It's a little bit heavier phone. And let's finish off here some of the specs. Does have a 4,400 milliamp battery. Talk time is 35 hours. The battery's not removable. 12 gigs of RAM, guys. 12 gigs of RAM. Good lord. That's about as much as probably this computer. Well, a little bit less. I think this one has 16 gigs of RAM, but still, I mean, 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of memory. Processor is octa-core, 2.84 gigahertz plus a 2.42 gigahertz plus a 1.8 gigahertz Snapdragon 888. It's the fastest Snapdragon out there currently, the newest one at least. Operating system, of course, is Android 11. The cameras, it does have three. It's a 12 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 12 megapixel telephoto, and a 10 times digital zoom. The front, of course, is 10 megapixel selfie camera and a 4 megapixel under display camera. Wow. The display, sorry, I don't know why I said a 6.7. I don't know if that's a typo. I thought that was maybe a typo. But the main screen, it looks like it's a 7.6 dynamic AMOLED 2 times Infinity Flex display with 120 hertz display. So like I said, that they do tend to have quite a bit of typos on this, and I was thinking it was bigger than 6 inches, but I think what they did was a 6.7. I think, like I said, Boost Mobile, you gotta proofread this because I'm reading off the website, even though I knew it was bigger, and kind of, you know, I was like, well, they can't be wrong about that. But yeah, it's a 7.6 inch, guys, big screen. It covers 6.2 dynamic AMOLED 2 times with 120 hertz refresh rate, but the big screen is, like I said, it does open up pretty big, guys. There's dimensions. It does have it's a Samsung Pay, USB Type C, Bluetooth 5.0, 10 watt wireless charging, 25 watt super fast wired charging, and a 4.5 watt wireless power share. So overall, it's very decent. Don't believe there's any reviews of this, but so far from using it, guys, it's very cool. I like it a lot. To me, I personally wouldn't probably buy this because I don't really have any need for it, especially at that price. But who knows? Like I said, it's pretty good. It's a good phone if you're going to use it for business and stuff like that. So let me know in the comments below, guys. If you want to support the channel, check out the description below. So check it out. Thank you. And let me know in the comments below what you think. Should you get it? Are you going to get it? Let me know.